Five little pumpkins sitting on the gate. The first one said, "Oh, mine is getting late." The second one said, "There's witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." Fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Then war went the wind, then out went the light. Five little pumpkins roll out of sight. Wow, so many pumpkins! I like it.
Wow, so many.
I found a little one. May I take it home, Mommy?
Okay, of course, honey. Oi.
Mommy, why this pumpkin is white?
The orange pumpkin is king. The white pumpkin is queen.
No, I think the orange pumpkin is queen and the white pumpkin will be king.
The family farm is very good for kids. I love here. There are a lot of plants, farm animals, and big playground. You know, kids love this. I'm very happy we enjoyed the whole day here. It's Vivian's first time ride. When she grows up, I will show her. Hope she can remember. Yeah, my big girl, well done.
So, Mommy, let's go to feed animals.